Hello my viewers. So once again I'm Basi Daniel. Welcome to Dan Biomedical. So right here now I'm going to take you through ventilator. You can see right here, this is a ventilator machine. See, this ventilator. So this is a Mindray ventilator machine, and it's Synovent E5 ventilator. That's SVE5 ventilator machine. So this is the screen, as you can see. This is the screen right here, where the parameters and the monitoring is being displayed for monitoring of the patient. And this is used mostly in ICU, where we monitor an ICU patient. This right here is the compressor. Hope you can see it very well. This is the compressor. This is the compressor. You can see the gauge right here. This is the gauge right here. This is the gauge of the compressor, and this is the light that indicates the power on. So this is the compressor of the ventilator machine. Right, this right here is the humidifier. This try to make sure that the air or oxygen going into the patient is not dry and is not contaminated. This is like a humidifier. It humidifies the oxygen and air that goes into the patient. And this right here is the screen, like I told you, where the monitoring takes place. And these are the tubes. You can take a look. These are the tubes. These are the tubings that are being connected to the machine and then over to the patient. So this is the oxygen cylinder. You see, this is the host. So this is the host that is connected from the oxygen cylinder to the machine, like you can see. You see, this is the knob. Take a look at this. You can see right here is the oxygen cylinder gauge, ventilator gauge that is connected from the cylinder to the machine. And if you go behind the machine, you see the connections. This is the gauge. This is the tube. These are the connections. So I want to connect these tubes and then try to do a system check and some other operation of the machine. So this is how the connection goes. So these are the tubes. So this here right here is the humidifier. So first of all, I connect to this one here, and this is written. This is into the. This one goes into the patient directly. This goes into the patient. So I connect this. Connect this here. One of these goes into the humidifier. One of these goes into the humidifier as well. One of these goes into the humidifier, connect this here, and one goes into the humidifier, while one of these goes into this place. You see? So that is how, basically this is how to do the connections of the patient monitor.